Advice for entrepreneurs. 1. Done is better than perfect. Sheryl Sandberg, COO of Facebook. 2. Any time is a good time to start a company. Ron Conway, startup investor. 3. The longer you're not taking action, the more money you're losing. Carrie Wilkerson, keynote speaker. 4. Go big, or go home. Eliza Dushku, actress. 5. Most great people have attained their greatest success just one step beyond their greatest failure. Napoleon Hill, author. 6. Have the end in mind and every day make sure you're working towards it. Ryan Alice, CEO at Hive. 7. If you think education is expensive, try ignorance. Derek Bach, lawyer and educator. 8. Associate yourself with people of good quality, for it is better to be alone than in bad company. Booker T. Washington, educator, author and advisor. 9. If you are going through hell, keep going. Winston Churchill, British Prime Minister.